In the last video, we studied about if and else structure. If you have not seen the previous video, please do watch first. Today, we will study about the scenarios where we have multiple conditions. Previously, we studied that if and else, it means that if certain one particular condition is false, then it will execute the block written in the else portion. What if we have multiple statement? For example, we want to check that if a is equal to 10, then it will print found. Else if else let's say else if uh, else if a equal to let's say 5, then it will print cout in range, otherwise it will print out not found. So yes, so in this case that we have two condition. If a equal to 10, then this block will be executed. If a equal to 5, then this block will be executed. Otherwise, if it is not equal to 5 and it is not equal to 10, then it will print this. Now let's see that first. We see that how we can execute it. This block, I need to change the value of a here, 10 equal to 10. I am expecting that this will be executed. Now let's run this code. So here is the output, and it is found because the condition is true. Now let's change the value of a, and I am going to assign this value 5, and let's see. Now I'm expecting that this block will be executed. Now let's run this code again. So this is the output that I get in range. It means that this time this condition is true. What if I'll change the value to 15, and now I'll run this code, because no, it is firstly the control will come and it's a 15 equal to 10 false. It will not execute this block and it will come to this point. And here 15 is not equal to 5, and it will skip this block of code, and it will come here because these both conditions are false, and it will execute this block. So let's run this code now. So here is the code which is giving that it is not found. So this is how if else if works. So you can code and watch out different scenarios to for the practical implementation. Always remember that here it is alignment that is very important when you code for troubleshooting, particularly in the runtime errors. You can see that it's a main function where our code is written, and here this is the if structure, this is else if, this is else part. So here you can easily see that if there is an error of bracket missing or anything else. So here from here you can see the syntax correction, and you can easily find out the error. So thank you so much. In the next video we will see how we can write the if else statement in a single line. So stay tuned.